please come here. Actually, we are going to do with them the baby shark. So let's call it the second guest, EJ or slash Oliver Josh. Yeah. And let's call out the third guest, Kurt. So and the fourth guest is Kenji. And guys, let's start this. Wait. So the last one is Clarence. Actually, he's the youngest one. The youngest of us all is Clarence. So let's start this challenge. Yeah. Let's go hunt it, let's go hunt it, let's go hunt it, let's go hunt. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the So guys, we're going to end this video here. I hope you like our video. So yeah.
So always comment, share, like, subscribe, and
Turn on the notification
bell and comment our next challenge. Goodbye!
So mabuhay guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Blessed Lady. So today guys, we're going to do the Baby Shark Challenge, requested by Wolf Vlogs and Games. So we have a guest here.
And let's call it the first guest.
Yeah. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Blessed Lady. So today guys, we are going to do the Baby Shark Challenge and requested by Wolf Vlogs and Games. So we have a guest here. First is Ryan. Ryan. So if you want to,
Lana, ulit na naman.
they are our friends. He is our friend. And let's call it the second guest.
Duman sa gitna.
Her